Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, July 15th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the pound yen, I still think the pound yen is so clear on the monthly time frame. The clarity is definitely on these higher time frames when it comes to the yen pairs. I think this is very clearly 5 ways up, wave A. This is extremely clearly 3 waves down, wave B, and I think this is very clearly a 1, a 2, and we're in a wave 3, probably a wave 3 of wave C. Eventually it's going to have to go down and make a wave 4, which may possibly have started already, and back up for a wave 5. So heading down to the weekly time frame, we do have a little bit of a fib bounce. The 178.6 is definitely a likely area to end the wave 3. So far for me, there's really no proof that it's over yet. All we have going for it is a fib bounce. We have no breaker structure. We have no lower high or really anything telling us that this is the end of a trend yet. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I'm actually still very bullish. I think it looks like a 1, a 2. This looks like a 3. I think we might have an expanding flat wave 4, and I think we might go up at least one more time for a wave 5. Like I said, there's really no proof that this uptrend is actually over yet. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I kind of suspect that this right here could be the top of a 3, even though this is a higher high. I think this could be 3 ways down. I think this could be a 3-3-5 pattern. 3 ways down for A, higher high, 1, 2, 3, higher high wave B, 3 waves up, and then 5 waves down for the wave C. If it is a 3-3-5 ABC correction, then it is an expanding flat. We definitely got a Fibonacci bounce. If it goes up, if it breaks structure, then that proves to me that it is an expanding flat, probably a wave 4, and then back up for a wave 5. So heading down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, if price starts to go up and break structure, especially if it breaks this structure right here, that pretty much proves to me that we are not in a wave 4 anymore, and that we're actually in a wave 5 continuation of the uptrend. Now, don't get me wrong, I am definitely looking for shorts because the daily time frame did definitely turn down. But if it does start to make impulsive movements up and start to really break above these structures, that is definitely going to turn me from going looking for shorts to looking for longs at the end of every single pullback I see. So basically, like I said, I am looking for shorts, but I am paying close attention to my structure levels, especially this wave 4 high right here. Because if we do get a break of structure, to me that pretty much proves that it is an expanding flat wave C on the higher time frames, proves that it pretty much is the end of a wave 4 and that we should be going long at the end of every pullback we see for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.